founder.
Respectfully stand on other existing protocols. Your Eminence, I think Dr. Tanko has probably said all that we hear. With this, because of this period of Ramadan fasting, had contacted Tanko and said, we need to go around and visit our brothers of the Muslim faith across the country and everything. And we've been touring, we've been to Lafayette, CDMA, we've been to Nasrullah, we've been to a couple of places. We've been to a couple of places. Tomorrow we are traveling up to Sokoto and everything. And as we agreed that we are going to come today to pay our respects to you for the great work you're doing here. When you related to me, how the school started in 1952. Yes. In Abeokuta. Now it was moved to Agege in 1957. And everything I said, thank you. Wow. And that's why we're here to pay our respects for the great work we're doing and to continue to preach brotherhood, preach caring of each and everything. Like I always said when I was campaigning, today is no politics, but I always said when I was campaigning, no religion buys bread cheaper. None have cheaper fuel. None buys food cheaper. When there's hunger for everybody, when there's problem for everybody, no tribe buys bread cheaper. No tribe buys anything cheaper. When there's a problem, it's everybody. So that as brothers, we should all work hard for a better Nigeria. A Nigeria where a son of nobody, child of nobody, can be great and become something. It is available. I once said to the North, we can make more money from you than we make from oil. Because we're the only country in the world that have 60% of our vast land uncultivated. That can change the world. And to the South, we have all the talent and everything that can change the world. What we are lacking is not the air. It's not the human being, it's the leadership. But today, it's just to pay respect. Elections are over. It's for me to go around and pay my respects and assure people that we have no other country except this one, and we must love each other. That is the people we're here. Just the spirit of what is happening now, to continue to ask for prayers, our country, for it to be a better place. Always repeated, I'm not desperate to be president. I'm not desperate to see Nigeria work. Where poor people can get up and say, this is their country. Not where the poor are suffering and suffering and suffering.
Thank you.
Founder, the Sheikh Adam, and the Trump comprises the tomb of his father and
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.